working on. We got to get some or these orders. We have like 130,000 orders from our He Gets Us campaign, and we are trying to filter out and do a mass order change so we can get our inventory correct. And in our previous server, which was one of your dedicated servers with that we had set up, we didn't have problems with doing this, and now we are. Not an issue. I think it's a PHP issue, possibly. Maybe you guys can see that, or some sort of mod security issue, because we've never had this problem before, and it's got to be something server related, I believe. So what we have been doing is we're trying to get these filters set, and so that we can view the amount of orders that we need to make changes to. So anything before April 1st. So what we've been doing is we're through this month. We got that all set, and we're still getting an error. So I'll just do, sorry, let's see here. February 28th through the 1st. And then status as pending. And then all of our orders that come through that we're looking at are begin with the ID of HGU. And then we hit apply. And let's set these dates. Actually, we did all of February. So let's go February through January. And what we get is that error that just popped up. So I'm gonna hit supply. It says something went wrong, and what I'm finding is the bookmark database that there's basically it's erroring out, and in order for me to get everything back to where it needs to be, I have to come in here. This is where all the filters are stored, and delete this out. What I'm wondering is if you guys can log in and do the same thing that I'm doing here and see if you can see any type of errors or anything, because we're not able to get past this. And what I'd like to try to be able to accomplish is get this to process all the way through. And I'm assuming that there's some sort of PHP timeout limit, probably a record limit, some sort of SQL query that's probably not allowing that much data to be processed. I mean, obviously I can't see it, so, but in this particular case, I'll try it one more time at a different date. So even Winnie quiet. Something like this. This keeps doing the same thing. If we set it to 1 day, it's still giving us the error. I'll try that. Let me pause this really quick. So if I set it to January 1st to the end of that month, we get an error. But I was able to, and it's probably going to give me an error right now, but just 10 days, which is a smaller query. Still gives me the error, but let me reset this really quick. Still got the same query here. Status is processing. He gets us and apply. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reboot this. Well, I was able to get it to happen once. So take a look, see if you guys can replicate this, and then also if you can see anything on your end. But I'm not able to get it past this point, and it would be really great if we could get this fixed.